In this question, we are asked to study the following ray diagram and answer the question. In this diagram, the angle of incidence and angle of emergence and the angle of deviation respectively have been represented by. So basically we have to identify the following angles from this given figure. Angle of incidence is the angle that is formed between the incident ray and the perpendicular drawn on that surface on which the incident ray falls. Therefore, angle of incidence would be identified by this angle, that is angle P. Angle of emergence is the angle formed by the emerging ray and the perpendicular drawn on that surface. Therefore, angle of emergence can be represented by Y. And the last one left is angle of deviation, which is given by the angle between the line of incident ray when extended and emergent ray when extended. Therefore it will be represented by this angle Z. Therefore our correct answer would be part C, PYZ. As we see here, the correct answer is part C.